Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto. Today, they had the press conference for the FOMC meeting. Chair Jerome Powell said, hey, we're only going to raise the rates 50 basis points. And then had some pretty hawkish ideas like, hey, we're not going to slow down or we're not going to stop raising the rates. Basically, you hit market expectations, right? The market was expecting 50 basis points. I had people hitting me up right before the meeting at 2:30, like, should I buy now? Should I buy now? Like, this is, you're trading against the pros, right? They, as soon as they detected, and you got bots and algos that are picking up certain words out of each press conference, and the Fed and the speakers, they talk a lot. And so again, they're opening trades based on these ideas all along the way. The idea of a 50 basis point rate hike was exactly what the market was looking for. So the market didn't get a pump and then kind of gave back all its gains. Not amazing. This is Bitcoin daily chart. We talked about right here, they were buyers, right here, they were buyers, right now they're sellers, right? So previous support becomes future resistance. And it came up here and it tested it exactly. So you're working in a rising wedge, 68% chance it breaks to the downside. Now you've got, there's a smaller rising wedge. And so a downside break, just depending when it could, it could sit up here and go sideways for an extended period of time, right? But when it does break down, you could see $16,000 Bitcoin. The bulls got to show up. Where are the buyers at? Where are the buyers at? Volume's pretty low across the board, but the big test for the bulls, we said, first was the 200 SMA. It's always something. Then you had this bear trap and the bears got punished. Then you had essentially a bull trap where everybody was looking at a possible breakout of this pattern and they got rejected. Now you're sitting here at about 17,800. You lose this level and you're coming back down here to the lower trend line of the pattern. And there is a possibility that you lose the lower trend line at some point, 68% chance that it happens. It could happen over time, but there's some downside ideas you have to watch out for. This is Bitcoin CME futures. This right now is closed, but we talked about this being ascending triangle, pulling the measured move. Essentially, you're still about 19,000 is a measured move. So do you work higher? At the end of the day, you have to ask yourself this. I like to trade falling wedges when you get down here to like the fourth and fifth touch, sixth maybe, right? Because especially with bullish divergence. So you got one touch, two touch, three touch, four touch, right? It wouldn't be shocking at all at some point to see a retrace and another touch or two down here on the bottom before this actually breaks out. This is a huge downtrend, right? What about this market right now is going to cause an extreme amount of buyer demand out of Bitcoin? Tell me, like, give me ideas in the comments. Like, this rate, it's like, what's the FUD going to be that might cause the market to roll over? And so again, we talked about this yesterday. We didn't expect this to break the first time. Again, not surprising that you hit what market expectations are and you don't make a very powerful move because the market already expected this and they've potentially front run this idea. It's buy the hype, sell the news, right? I had so many people rejoining the group, coming back to where the money is made. We're going to continue the discount. So right now it's 60% off if you pay in crypto and an additional $100 off. I'm going to make sure you're in the best setups, period. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. If you have any questions about joining, send me an email, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. But shout out to my trading group real quick. This is to Joe, who's works in the beginners group, as well as he mentioned me. But yeah, we're teaching people how to change your life. So this person started with $65 and now he's got $450. So he's 6x his money since he joined the group. This person had 75 trades, up 306%. No, you don't win every trade. In 90 days, he tripled his bag. This person turned $6,000 into $30,000 and paid off his 2019 Jeep. You've got to be in the right coins. Coins on Kucoin have been banging regardless of what Bitcoin's been doing. ES1, this has been all over the place. We said the last thing you want to see here is a bull trap, and potentially you've had this huge retrace. Now, if we said a bullish retest is the key, where you might get a bearish retest. If this thing comes back down here in this pattern, I mean, are you forming this big diamond pattern right here, right? These break to the downside more often than not. And so again, you've got this rising wedge. This thing breaks lower. I'm looking for Bitcoin downside, right? And again, today's big announcement was the chance for stocks to rally, but you really just hit market expectations and you didn't get that crazy breakout that would have drugged Bitcoin a lot higher, right? DXY, the dollar, is sitting here at support. Very important to crypto enthusiasts and the stock market. You want to get some good trading. You want to see the dollar weaken. And they still raised the interest rates. They still tightened the money supply, and they're still dumping $95 billion worth of assets off their balance sheet into the economy, into the markets. And so that's not bullish, right? So again, dollar weaker definitely helps, but the market's not turning around at this point. Bitcoin dominance, and you don't want to see this thing trend higher. Right now, there's an idea where you could get sometime. Well, you did get a huge move to the upside. If you were to come down here and retest this, that would give ideas for more upside. And then you're looking for 20-30% losses out of altcoins based on this measured move idea up here of where Bitcoin dominance could be. The exuberance to buy and load up on altcoins kind of dissipates at times in the bear market. And when I'm talking about these ideas, a lot of them are, people that are in the market and they're trying to buy the technology. They're in it for this project is going to solve this, and this project is going to solve this, and this project is going to solve this. But those people right now, they're just sitting on the sidelines. Potentially a lot of them quit because they're holders. And you just don't want to see the dominance of Bitcoin increasing for these altcoins to do well. However, if you go to Kucoin, 326% gains, 218% gains, 137% gains, 107% gains, 89, 67, 66, 44, 35, 33, 30, 28. What are you doing if you're missing the small cap bangers? The easiest money you're going to make in this market is right here. And we post these setups. So either you're in the best coins in the group. You've got to make money in the bear market. You can't just sit on your hands, period. Elon Musk, I thought this is crazy. He is bringing the new Model S and X vehicles are going to be able to stream games, thousands of games on the new Model S and X vehicles. So imagine just taking a trip somewhere, playing some video games. They've got a nice screen. I had somebody send me a picture of their screen, and they had Tradingview on the screen. And I just think Elon Musk is a billionaire for a reason. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. We'll see you guys tomorrow.